Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today I'm trying out Brassy bra. I'm not sure if you have heard of this before. Basically it is a stick-on bra. But not in the traditional sense of like two cups that you stick it on and can reuse. We've seen those ones, like the butterfly ones that like pull your boobs in together. This is not restickable. This is sort of like a bandage material, so let's just go through it. I have this size double D to quadruple D. In the box comes 3 sets of the adhesive bras and 3 pairs of nipple covers. So it says the adhesive bras are made of 97% cotton, so it breathes and molds to your individual shape. So this is what it looks like on the inside. There are directions on how to put it on. Also, Brassy bra has a really good, a lot of instructional videos on their website, or on their Instagram as well. There is a left and a right, and they're layered like that in the box, so you don't have to worry about like getting it wrong. And then when you open it up, we've got the nipple covers here, which look like little flowers with a spot to put your nipple in the middle. Peel off the adhesive, stick it on, no big deal. These are maybe not big enough for everybody. Just putting that out there. And then you have the bra itself. So this is what it looks like. So we have like a left and a right. I'm not even sure which side is which, but so it looks like this. It sort of feels like the fabric Band-Aid material. Mine I got in the caramel color. I am very aware this is not my skin tone. They were sold out at the time of my skin tone. This was the closest match. That's fine, I don't really care. It is split, as you can see this line here. They're in the sticker, so it comes off in 2 separate sheets. Peel the bottom half off, stick it, and then peel the top half off, and then pull up and stick it down. So pretty simple to put on, and there's lots of instructions in here, and I've been really tempted to try them for a while. I got these from Additional on clearance a while back, and I'm happy I finally get to try them. So I'm recording this after trying it. I already know my feelings, and so I'm gonna show you the little clip of me putting them on from here up, and then I will catch up with you afterwards to give my full review, okay? So this is the Brassy bra. These patches go over your nipples so that when you take this off, you do not rip off your nipples. Thankful for that. I didn't purchase this in my skin color, as you can see. In fact, it was sold out, but to be honest, I don't really care. You're not gonna see it. So yeah, I guess you have a left and a right. Who knows? We'll see if we can figure this out. I'm about to get pretty naked. You're not gonna see any of it. There's not a mirror. Hey, look at that. You can't see anything. Cannot move more than a few inches from where I am right now, or you will see everything. So I'm just gonna say this is very weird. I'm not fully naked. I do have underwear on, but let's see. Okay, so they're like little flowers. That's so cute. Okay, so there is adhesive on the back, and just peel that off. I have to, like, you know, saggy boob over here has to pick up her boob. And I can hear my dog outside barking. Probably the neighbor who is in their backyard, but I'm not ready to let her in. Okay, picking my boob up again. Gotta make sure you cannot see that. Also gotta make sure my nipple is centered. Didn't think I would ever have to say that on a video. Okay, this is already weird. I feel like I've lost my nipples. Okay, I just need to get the directions again. I think I can do this. So I think what you're supposed to do is take the bottom half, it splits here, take the bottom half off and stick it underneath. This is like having a really big band-aid. That's sort of the material it feels like. Alright. Okay. Well, that's weird, but I think I definitely would need, they have these little extra strips called a little something extras, I think. Okay, so, wow. Okay. That is supremely weird. Because my boobs are quite saggy, sometimes it's like I just fold my boob up. Alright, splitting it in half again, taking the bottom off. Now these are not reusable, okay? So don't expect to get to reuse them. You get 3 in the box, but like they're meant for special occasions. This is not a special occasion for me. I'm just trying it out, but you know. All right, so let's, I want to make sure I get it somewhat even. Okay, well, who knows? I'm just gonna, that is so weird. Okay, you can't see any of that. Okay, I'm gonna go get the clothes I want to wear today, because I think I will need to trim this bit here off a little, but I need to put the clothes on first so I can see. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back and I'm dressed. This is a new Torrid jumpsuit that I got. It's smocked up here. And as you can see, this is the Brassy bra here. It's hard to tell. I definitely could have pulled them up higher. I wonder if you can adjust them. To pull up higher. Is that a mistake? Yeah, it's not adjustable. So once it's down, and that's now peeling off again. So don't adjust. That's what we've learned. So I'm just gonna wear this for the day. We'll see how this boob acts. It's like, what time is it now? Oh, it's 10 to 4. So not really gonna be wearing this a whole lot. Okay, so one of my boobs is higher than the other now, but I'm not adjusting the other one, so not really sure what I do about that. I definitely would either want a bigger size. I think I got this size, what size did I get? Double D / quadruple D. And I think I would go for the bigger size next time, just because there's no coverage on the side at all. It's just like straight up boob. Also, I would probably get the little strips that they have. Yeah, but let's see. I'm gonna take you over to my mirror. this is the outfit. It's kind of hard to tell because it's smocked, right? And black. But, like, if you can see, like, really, my boobs have basically disappeared. Not mad about it at all. But it does feel like I have a lot of side boob that could be brought in. I'm not, like, uncomfortable at all. But I am worried that this one was just gonna fall off, so I won't be going anywhere today, but do need to film some more videos. So I will catch up with you guys later with my full review. All right? One thing I did learn is these are not repositionable. If you don't get it in the right place the first time, you will need to take it off and use a whole other one and do it again. That's okay, except for that you only get 3 in the box, or like 3 sets. So if you fuck up your right boob a bunch of times, you're gonna have to figure out how to use the left stickers. I'm gonna show you the difference between what my right one looks like after I took it off. This is the one I repositioned, okay? So obviously, like, it's stuck on itself, but up here, you can see where I repositioned it and it kept peeling off, and so it was getting stuck to my clothes as I changed them. Now, I did film an entire try-on haul wearing this still, okay? So, that wasn't a problem. It was really easy to come off. I have seen them suggest that you can use like oils to take it off if it hurts your skin to peel it off. However, I didn't have any pain at all, especially because I made sure the nipple covers were in the right spot. So that was really easy. And then this is the other side. This is the left side. And it's completely flat. It was well stuck down. I probably could have worn this for like another 5 hours. The problem was the right one where I tried to reposition it and pull it up higher. So that was an issue. The other thing is, also it's very light. You can't really even feel it. I laid down in my bed, had a little nap, was perfectly fine, got up and put on more clothes after I charged the battery on my camera. So all of that is good. The nipple things, they may need to be bigger. Maybe they get bigger the cup size you buy. I definitely need a larger cup size. I wear a triple D, but in plus sizes. So I guess if these are sized based on like double D, triple D, and regular sizes, then I would definitely need a much bigger bra cup size, and I would try them again. I'm going to still use the ones I have. Yeah, but I think these might need to be a little bigger. These little bits for your nipple, this is like just big enough for me. I know that may be TMI, but like your areola or whatever it is, the really sensitive skin around your nipple is not included in this little cottony patch here. So that was not painful. It came off just fine. But if you have really sensitive nips, do not just rip this off, okay? These are fine. You can like peel them down and like trim them if you needed to. I would be very careful doing that because if you peel too much, it doesn't re-stick. So that can be an issue. You want to be very careful with that. Just trying to think of anything else. I definitely, like I said, I could have worn these for a few more hours. Apparently they're waterproof even. I wasn't about to test that because I just had a shower this morning. I'm not getting in the shower again. You can get little extra strips. I think they call them something, a little something extra on their website. So that means like you can do up the sides a little bit more, or like bring your boobs together in the middle. So it's just like extra strips of the same material that this is made from. I would definitely get those. I also would get a bigger cup size than you think you need, just because it's, especially if you're like bigger, like a plus size, then the cup size seems to like not be sized based on your actual size. It's just like a general, you wear a D cup, so you should buy these kind of thing. So yeah, that's my review. I would definitely use the Brassy bra again. I have no complaints whatsoever. Was very comfortable to wear, didn't irritate my skin. Yeah, it does say like if you have super sensitive skin to do a patch test, and it came with a little one thing to do a patch test. So you should definitely test it if you are concerned. I don't think I really have anything else to say. I will link them below if you want to get them. I'm not going to link them on the Additional website because Additional is shutting down and I don't know if they sell these anymore. So anyway, that's my review. Definitely get a bigger size than you think you need. You can always make it smaller, but you cannot make it bigger. Thanks so much for watching this very random video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!